Yeah, hi all, this is Ashok Reddy. In this video, I'm going to explain about the FI document, normal JV document posting. So using the Fiori app. So actually, we'll be covering two scenarios like posting the normal entry manually, and the another one is the posting the document JV document using the template. So in the Fiori app. So actually, Fiori app you can access through link. If you have the link, so you can directly access the link and go ahead and just open the web browser, either Chrome or Internet Explorer, and you can just copy paste the link here. Then it will ask you to log in your credentials like as usual in GUI. So that is one way. Even if you do not have the link, also you can just in a GUI, from GUI we can open the Fiori as well. So you can just type /n/UI2/FLP. So once you press enter, so it will automatically open the your Fiori app. So that's how you can access the Fiori app. Usually, you will, base system will provide the link as well to access the Fiori app. So otherwise, you can come from the GUI also. So yeah, let's start it here. Once you open the Fiori app, so the screen looks like this. So this will be your home page where you can see all the groups. So these all are the groups. Under each group, you will have the relevant Fiori apps, Fiori tiles. Also, will call it as a tile as well. So under accounts payable, you have accounts payable related. Actually, this we can set it up as our own. So I'll that I can just show you in the next video how to set up these all the groups, and how we can assign the respective Fiori apps in particular group. So as of now, I have already added couple of apps into accounts payable, accounts receivable, banking, asset accounting, GL. Like this, I have created few groups and added the relevant Fiori apps. So let me go to the GL, so where we post normal JV document. So here to post the normal JV document also, we have different apps. Like we have like upload general journal entries, where we can go ahead and post the JV using the journal template. So the another one is post general journal entries. This is the app where we can go ahead and post manually, like it's like a B01 or F-02. So in GI. So there is one more app, verify general journal entries for request. This app is actually this through this app we can go ahead and post manually, not post, actually we can submit the journal entry manually as well as using the journal template, but it will trigger the workflow. So this is the again separate topic. Actually, workflow is nothing but like a requester will be submitting the entry, and the approver will be reviewing, and then it will automatically post. So that is the workflow process. So we'll take it in the next session. So separately, this is the entirely separate topic. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to do manual journal entry using Fiori app, manual FI document. So I'll just access the post general journal entries, which is we need to post manually. So once we click on this, it will open the app. So it will be same like a GUI only. So you can find the almost like a at the top you have the header data. You can see this like in GUI how we have header data and line items data. So similar way we do have here as well in Fiori app. So this is the header part. So under header part we have the again a couple of tabs as well, like a header and attachments. So in case if you want to attach any supporting documents, you can go ahead and attach. So then the notes tab. So here actually you can specify the some description, extra description. So Yeah, let's move on to fill up the header information. So see, this is journal entry date. So journal entry date, nothing but the document date where we have it in the GI. So in GI we can see that document date. So it is nothing but the journal entry date in Fiori. So I'm giving today's date only. Again, the posting date also I'm giving today's date. So posting period. So since we are in June month, so I'm giving 06. So journal entry type is nothing but the document type. So this is just a normal GL document. So that's why I'm giving SA document type. So you can see this F4 function how we have in GI. So this is the F4 function where you can find all the entries. So if you click F4, so you can select the respective document type. So similar way you have the company code. So in this example, I'm just taking the 1710, which is a SAP best practice company code for US country. So that I'm just using for the example. So then the transaction currency is nothing but the document currency. This will be, I'm just giving the USD. So rest all it's just a not mandatory field. So I'm skipping for now for the time being. So we can go ahead for the line items details. So this will be the bottom will be the line items part. So here again you can see that item 1 and item 2 like how we have a debit and a credit. So like this, so we need to update the item 1 and item 2 details also. So again at the line item level we just need to specify the company code. Actually the company code will be automatically determined based on the header data. So yeah, let's give me the let me give the GL account. So I'm just giving some expense GL account here. So again, we'll, as I said, we for each and every field we'll have the F4 function. So you can select the from the F4 function also the GL accounts. So I have given the GL account. So here we need to specify the, since it is a expense GL 6 series. So I'm giving the debit amount 1000 USD. So then we can come down and we can just give the GL account for the second line item also. I just have a GL account in for example I just already taken note the GL account, so which I am just using it. So you can select anything from drop down, that's not an issue, but I'm just for this example I'm just taking some GL account. So the first item we have debited, so that's why the second item we are crediting, as our accounting concept says that our debit and credit should match, then only we will be able to post the journal entry. So now yeah, we have the debit 1000 USD and credit 1000 USD. So we have the GL accounts as well. But so for the each line item like expense GL, you will have certain fields mandatory, right, at item level, like a cost center, all these things, profit center, cost center, internal order, like that. So that's why to update those details, you can see here there is a expand button, there is a arrow button. So you can see that expand. So if you click on this, it will get expanded, where you can find all the line item details. See, you can see more details here. So item text, if you want to specify item text, like how we give in GI. So then you can see as we know that this star symbol represents the mandatory field. So tax code is a mandatory, so I'm just giving some I1. You can just even select from the drop down as well, from the F4 function as well. Okay, so then the tax jurisdiction code, this is a mandatory field for country US. So to determine the tax, so that's why it is a mandatory field. So I'm just selecting the which is not applicable for the time being, just since it is a mandatory, I'm just selecting something actually against this tax jurisdiction code only. In real time the tax percentage will be maintained. So yeah, now I have given the tax code and tax jurisdiction. Then I'll specify the cost center also, because it is expense GL, even though it's not showing here as a mandatory, but let's specify the cost center as well. Okay, So yeah, first item, I hope I have given all the required details. The profit center, it will be determined automatically from the cost center, where we have maintained the profit center in the cost center. So that's how it will determine automatically. Then let's see what else is required in the item 2. So okay, so in item 2, we see that only value date is mandatory field, so which is already determined, so we no need to update it. Rest all, I think it's not needed. In case if anything mandatory, system will show the error message. This is a bank GL, so in case if we need to provide the house bank or bank account, you can go ahead, but now I'm just not giving any details. So this is how you can update. So you can just in case if you have more than 2 line items also, you can go ahead and add the items. You can see that if you click on the plus symbol, one more item got added. Like this, you can go ahead and add how many items you want. So I'm just closing this, deleting that extra line. Okay, so now let me simulate this entry. Okay, I'm just here you can see that select templates, upload new entry, hold journal entry, simulate, post. So I'm just click on simulate option. So here it's just giving you some tax related warning message. We can just ignore and click on OK. So yeah, now this is your entry simulation. See, the journal entry document has not yet been generated, so because we are still in simulation mode only. You can see the debit and credit and header part also here, so all these details. So if everything is fine, we can go ahead and post the entry. You can see the post option here. You can just click on post button. See, the entry has been posted with 100028 ending with 28. Now the entry has been posted, and you can see here document also generated. Okay, so this is how we can post manual journal entry. So you can see here the even like how we have the ledger wise also we can view the accounting document. Okay, so now I have just shown you how to do the manual posting in Fiori using the post journal entries app. So let me come back. You can just go to home page, and now I'll show you how to post the same entry using the template. So now we have used the post journal entries, so again we can use the upload journal entries, where we can go ahead and upload the template. So yeah, once we click on this upload journal entries, so you can see the screen. We have the browse option, where you can browse the template, but as of now, so we do not have the template, so we don't know what to fill and what is the template. So that's why the SAP has given the standard template. We can download, which will work only that standard template here. So you can see here download template option is there. So if you click on this, so the template will be downloaded, which we need to fill up and upload the entry. See, the template has been downloaded now. Let me open this template. So yeah, so this is the template which we have just downloaded. You can see the app name also, upload journal entry app. So this is just like a pretty straightforward, where we can easily understand. This is the header part information, so where we need to fill up the header details for journal entry, and this will be your line item part. This will be your line item part. So you can see the header and line items here. So the columns, these headers will be like, see here you can see the column name, company code along with your field name also. Similar way for everything, even for line items also, company code, GL account and field name, everything is there. So see in the standard template, you can find the here two parts. One is like a entry 1 and entry 2. In case if user want to post multiple documents in the single template, like if you want to generate multiple document numbers, so in that case they can prepare the journal entry in this way, like entry 1 and entry 2. You need to fill up this separately, header details and line item details. Then the system will differentiate the document, so based on this number only. So this way, this till until here it will be considered as a document 1 and this will be considered as a document 2. So now I'll just show you how to post only one document. So let me delete all these details. I'll just delete. So next time I'll show you how to post the multiple documents in the single template. So that I will show you next time. So now we need to fill up this template to upload it in the SAP Fiori. Okay. So I'm just giving again company code 1710. As I said, general entry type is nothing but document type SA. So you can specify the journal entry document date. So here I'm just giving today's date 06/2022. So posting date and the fiscal period 06. Then the just header text I'm just giving text. Transaction currency I'm giving USD. So then rest all not mandatory fields. You can see if it is a mandatory, again here also in the template also there is a star symbol here, you can see, that means it is a mandatory field. Okay, so I have given the required header details. Now let's fill up the line item details also. So again at the line item part also we need to specify the company code. So I'm just giving the company code. The GL account, so I just have it in handy. Let me take the GL accounts for example. So I'm just giving this expense GL and the bank GL also. This will be journal entry texting, item text you can give anything. So I'm just giving. So the amount I'm just giving 1200 USD debit and 1200 USD credit. So this will be, these two columns will be, it's a transaction currency, nothing but the document currency in which the document needs to be posted. So since we are US company code, like a company code currency USD, so you can post in any other currency also, like euro, so or GBP or INR. In case if you are posting that, then this will be your transaction currency, like INR or INR or GBP or euro. So those will be considered as a transaction currency. We need to update it here. So this column is amount in company code currency. So this will be either you can update it manually if you know the value in company code currency, or else the system will convert automatically based on the exchange rate which we have maintained in the table. So in case if it is a euro, so from euro to USD, if the exchange rate is maintained in the table, so that will automatically calculate and convert into USD. So this will be company code currency, and this will be your second local currency is nothing but the group currency, again which will be automatically converted based on the exchange rate. So yeah, these two fields no need to fill. In case if you have the value in handy, then we can go ahead and update it, otherwise it will automatically convert based on the exchange rate. So the exchange rate again, it will be determined from the exchange rate table where we maintain in OB08, or else even if you want to give the today's date particular rate, we can still go ahead and specify at the header level. You can see the exchange rate here. So if you specify here, so it will take it from in this template only, it will ignore the exchange rate table. Okay, so now we have given the transaction currency amount, then the tax code. Since it is mandatory, so I'm just giving tax code, and the tax jurisdiction also I'll just give the tax jurisdiction as well, and cost center I'll give the cost center for expense GL. Okay, so then for second item, so actually only value date is mandatory, so let me give only value date. Okay, yeah, now we are ready with our template, so I'll just save this template. Okay, I just saved this template. So before we upload this template, better to close the template and upload into the Fiori. So I have just closed the template. Now let's go to Fiori. Okay, so here we can upload the template. See, so journal entry have been uploaded and saved as a held journal entries. This is the message, and you can see if, in case if there are any errors in the details are not in correct, then it will give a error here also. You can if there are any errors, you can see the status in error stage. So this symbol is like a warning message. We can go ahead and ignore it also. In case if there are any errors, even we can see by clicking on the show log. So see, this is how it will display. It says warning 3 items. So you can expand what are those errors also. See, this is how it is displaying period 06 adjusted in line. So this is just a warning message, and this will be information, and this is success message. So we do not have any errors. We can go ahead and post the entry. So just I'm coming back to the same screen. Okay, so now in case if this is not selected, you need to select, then click on post button. Okay, so I'm just clicking on post button. So this is just giving again the warning message, so which is not error, so we can go ahead and ignore and post it. See, one journal entry have been posted. So entry has been posted now. You can see that status is posted and the journal entry number, document number also got generated. If you want to view this document, you can just click on this document number. Again, it will ask you to we need to click on this document. So this is how the entry will be displayed. So this is the entry which got posted. It is a header part. One is the document details like a entry date, posting date, period, type, everything. So then the created by also, you can see here created by ID also. All these details you can see. This is the line item part. So in case if requester has attached any documents, supporting documents, you can see here. But as of now I have not attached, that's why it is not showing any documents. So yeah, this is how we need to post the journal entry. Okay, so in the next session I'll just show you how to submit the entries for workflow, like for approval, so in Fiori, so that I will cover it in the next session. Thank you.